Educators from across Texas and the nation had the opportunity to attend our Cradle to College conference, where they witnessed our best practices in advancing college and career readiness for our students.
We're able to really build them up. When they're in elementary, they really start building that curiosity. They move on to middle school where they become leaders, innovators, and then transform to high school where they're actually in the college scene.
Presenters spoke about programs such as the Texas Success Initiative, our dual language program, Pathways Towards Independence, and more, in hopes that our guests will implement such practices within their own school district.
We got some nice feedback in terms of the program structure, how we can make sure we're tackling and supporting our early learners as well as our English as a second language students.
Participants also had the chance to witness hands-on learning by touring different schools and visit our PSJ Family Shop to support our students.
The more we try to expose what PSJ is doing, the more that we can help other districts, and at the same time we learn from other districts also. That's what education's about. It's about changing lives and it's about helping each other out.
PSJA continues to invest in resources that will help our students and nationwide school districts succeed. For more information about the Cradle to College Conference, visit the following website: